Hey guys, it's me, Clay Hart, and today I'm just gonna show you a squishy experiment video. So first I got this song. So much different. It's so soft. Then this egg. Oh my gosh. It's like so hard and it's so squishy. I'm so excited for this song. Oh my gosh. Still going up. Squish experiment. This burger. Okay. This. I love the fern. So much difference. I love the egg. This is so good. I like this. Very good. Very good. All is mostly very good. Actually, to be honest, if you can see a peacock painting. Sorry. Mommy, where do you buy the peacock painting? Huh? Where do you buy the peacock painting? London. It's from London. If you want me to make a video showing you guys all my paintings, I have 4 paintings. So bye guys, and hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe.